Welcome to the how to section of Take It Vickle once again. Today's discussion is about how to switch the columns and rows, of an Excel sheet. If this is the example, so you have the columns, the name of books in a particular column, and you have the quantity and price in the other columns, right? So you want to completely flip that and have the name of the book, quantity and price in this format, and the name of the books going across your Excel sheet. So if this is what you are looking for, then you are at the right place. Please stick with me till the end of this video. So without much ado, let's jump into it. As always, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and also hit the bell button so that I can deliver the latest video right into your inbox immediately. Considering this as the example of this video, so what I want is, I want it to be entirely flipped. So the magic formula for doing this is transpose. So what I will write here is equal to transpose. So you can see Excel is giving me the suggestion. So click on that, double click it, and you'll get a bracket, and then you have to consider the name of the sheet. So in my case it is sheet 1. So for if it was like say reference type, so in that case you would have to type the name of the sheet that you have. So here you would type sheet 1 and then you give the exclamation mark, and then you have to choose the area, the array of cells that you want it to take. So in my case it would start from B3 and it would go right up to D9. Okay, so this is the particular cell that I want it to take, and then I give the enter, I close the bracket and hit the enter key. There you go. So you have the entire rows and columns totally flipped. So you can see, let me arrange it. You can check that the power of subconscious mind. I am wrapping this particular cell, again this. So having wrapped up the cell, you can see that the names of the books have come over as the column names, and the name of the quantity, price, and name of books as the rows that you get. Okay, so what happens in this, the advantage of this particular format is that I want to know like the price of a subconscious mind, how many quantities I have, what is the price of that, I immediately get that. So comment below and let me know how you would take or you would select the cells if it increases from C to D and it goes to say M. So what would be the area of cells that you would take in that particular array. So thank you for watching this video and see you soon.